So I want to do an update on Tilray today. I noticed that it looked like my charting from yesterday was a little bit off, and that's going to happen a lot. But as long as you're using the fibs correctly, and when you miss, you know when to get out of the stock, or you know when to get out of your options or whatever you're trading, then it shouldn't be that big of a deal. So what I did wrong yesterday was I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I like to have my chart, um, perfectly labeled. So I did one, two, and I thought this is the third wave of the third wave within the third wave. But it looks like now, after we consolidated, that actually the third wave was actually down here, and I can actually go like this and see that this actually went to the 1.61. And the reason the fourth wave was actually right here. It was pretty quick. Fourth wave is right here. And then the fifth wave up here. And we have three. I can just bring this down here. And the reason that I mean, it consolidated more than I thought it would. I thought we were pretty much ready to go. The market sold off too. That didn't really help out either. But now if you look at this, we have A, B, C, B, and then we have C right here. So if we go like this to into the third wave, we see that we've consolidated basically to the 0.38 fib. And so this should be close to the end. I can break it down on lower time frames. Let's see here. So I'll put 4 with question mark. Let's remove all these. And let's see where we're at on lower time frames. So we have A, then we have A, B, C, B right here. And then we are on the C wave. So then let's break this down. I can't really see anything on that, so I have to go lower time frame. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm pretty sure that we are finished with this correction. And yeah, I mean it went down below the third wave. I mean, I can go on lower time frames and see, but it looks like okay. Now we go to the 5-minute time frame. This would be the fourth wave right here. We have 1, 2, 3, maybe a little bit more downside on this. I would say this is going to go to probably, let's see, 672, 674. You can get down on these micro time frames and really get specific, like where you think it's going to go. Ironically, it looks like it could go to 666. Interesting. Or 664. So that's where I'm aiming for, 666 or 664, around that area. Tomorrow, what are we at right now? That's what we are, actually. We're already there after hours. So let's zoom back out here. And so if we go to, and look at this also, we have the EMA 50 is also sitting at 666. So I'm pretty confident that's the end of the fourth wave. And I think the market, which I'll go over in another video, that SPY pretty much bottomed today. I was projecting 434 or 435, and I think it hit around that area and actually bounced back up to like 439, 440. So let's figure out where this is going to go now, because I thought the third wave was going to go higher. Let's see what this is going to go. So let's say 666 the bottom. So to reformulate that, I think we're going to go to about 779 all the way to 806. So I'll bring this down. That will be the end of the first wave. 779 to 806. So bring this down. We're probably looking at end of the week or maybe early next week for this. So we're going to do a bigger one. We'll do 1 question mark. Get rid of that. So yeah, we're looking at 779 to 806, and then after that we would consolidate down in the area of back to 660 to 630 or so. So this is a good entry for you to make. Let's see, you're going to make 20% if you buy it here. So looking good. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I'll try to update it daily as long as I'm kind of correct on it, and we will see where it goes from here. It should be on the uptrend from here on out, and we should see prices above $10 here soon. So leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video.